Meta Business Suite tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on Meta Business Suite, how you can use Meta Business Suite to run a successful business on Facebook. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Facebook. Business Meta Suite is completely free and it is available on Facebook. In order to access your Meta Business Suite, you will actually need your own page. So if you have any kind of page on Facebook, if it's a business page, if it's any influencer page, then you can simply go ahead and access the Meta Business Suite from here. So you can simply sign into your Facebook, go to pages, and you will find the option of Meta Business Suite right here. Another way to access your Meta Business Suite is going to be to business.facebook.com, and you will just need to sign in through your Facebook and you will directly get to the Business Suite. So once you're here, this is actually the look of our Meta Business Suite. You will get it for all the pages that you have actually created. So you can simply select a page. Let's go for this one, and then it will just open up the Meta Suite for this page. Now, what I can do is I can actually have more than one suites for each of the page. You can see I can switch between them very easily. Then what we can do is we can simply go ahead and now I can actually avail all of the different features and tools that we have. Let me show you around the tools and options because you're a complete beginner and you might be wondering that what are the different tools we will be getting and what is actually Meta Business Suite. So in simple words, you get your own business suite for your business. You don't need to shuffle between different platforms to create ads. You don't need to go to any other platform to add a planner, to create campaigns, to add a schedule post. We can do everything within our Facebook. So this is really good, and we should give a thumbs up to Meta for actually creating this for us to help us with our business. You can see we have the home option, notifications, inbox, post and stories, planner, ads, insights, and all tools. If I click on all tools, then it will actually show me all of the tools available. Again, we have business feed, we have inbox, we have planner, post and stories, ads manager, audience, event manager, instant form, billing, business apps, page settings, profiles, ads reporting, insights, and if you sell products and services, then we get the appointment order and services option here. So you can see we are getting all of these different tools within our Meta Suite. Let's check them out one by one. So the first thing is your home that you see. This is the home for this page right here. And in here, I can actually check out an overview that what's happening, and I can create a post very easily from here. You can see that if I click on a create post option, it will allow me to create a story or create a ad as well. In here, I can simply go ahead and create a post. You can see we can actually create posts for our Facebook and for our Instagram within our Meta Suite because we know Instagram is also owned by Meta now. So we can simply go ahead and actually create posts for Instagram as well. After that, we have our media. I can simply add a photo, video, or use a template, and then we can add the description for our post and simply publish it right now. Or I can actually schedule a post from here. So to schedule a post, what you get the options is that you have to simply select any day. Let's say like we want to schedule a post for tomorrow and it's going to be for 11 a.m. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just simply, change the time from here. Once you're done, you can simply go ahead and save the changes. Of course, I didn't add anything here, but you will simply click on schedule and your new post will be scheduled. So all of the posts that we actually add to our Facebook or to our Instagram on our pages, we can check them here, the published ones or the scheduled ones as well. You will be able to check them right here. Again, we get the story option, we get the feed and grid option, and then we get the photos, mentions, and tag. We can also create a new post from here. This is the option create story, create post, and this is available in this option right here. After that, we have notification. Well, you will get all the notifications here. And then we have inbox. So this is really interesting. What we get here is in our business suite, in our Meta Business Suite, is that we get this master inbox right here. We can actually access our messenger messages right here, our Instagram DMs, Facebook comments and Instagram comments, also any kind of chat plugin that we have added. You will actually find all of your comments and messages within your inbox for this page right here. After that, we have the planner option. So in planner, again, I can plan or schedule anything for my page. Let's say that I actually want to post for my this page on this date. So I will simply go on create, and again we can create a post from here. We can also create an ad or plan an ad for our planner right here. We also get this quick create option that allows us to create post, story, or ad. So all of these different options actually serve the purpose to help us access all the features to create and schedule posts from within our one suite. Then we have the ads option. This is really important because when we have pages and we want to promote, we will simply create ads, and we can create ads within our Meta Suite. To create an ad, you simply go to ad option from here, click on create ad, and it will allow you to create an ad. Now you will simply choose a goal. Let's say that I actually want to promote my page. So I will simply click right here, and after that, you will actually create a ad from here. You add description, you select the audience, you add image or video, you select the budget, you can add the days, and you can add the payment methods. That is how we simply create an ad from our business suite here. Then we have the insight option. So insight means that we will be getting the reports and insights to all of the options available. In here, we have our overview. So I will be able to see the results for my ads that I am creating through my business suite. Then we have content that I am posting, and then we have audience. Within my audience, I can actually check a report that will actually show me from where I am getting the likes, from where I'm getting the audience, what's the top country. I will actually get the stats on, geographical basis and on gender and age basis. So I will be able to get more deep insight to my pages, and I will have a better idea that okay, I need to target this audience, I need to target this age group or this country because I'm getting the audience from there. So that's how it really helps you. We can also check the results for our page, the page result, the page searches, visits. We can check everything from here. Then in all tools, we will be able to access again ads manager. So we get a separate ads manager as well. Just in case, you can simply go ahead and actually open it up as well. Then we have the events manager. Again, if you want to create an event, go live, then you will find the option from here. Let me actually open this one as well. So you can see this is our separate ads manager. This is our business.facebook.com/ads manager. So this is like a complete new manager for our ads, and this really helps us organize our Meta Suite. Similarly, we have event manager, which is of course a tool available on Business Suite, but we can actually access more features when we get to their own dashboard. Similarly, we have the ads reporting, we have paid settings, billing, and business apps from here, and we can connect our Facebook page with apps that will actually help us manage and grow our business. Then if you sell products and services, you get the appointment option. So you can collect and manage appointments requests, you can communicate with your customers, you can display your services and availability with this option right here. Then we have orders that allows us to manage our orders and payouts, and again we have services. In here we can list services on our Facebook page to let visitors know what kind of business we are running and what kind of business offers we have. So you will get all the options right here for free on your Meta Business Suite. It's really easy to use, and you can access it from your pages or simply go to business.facebook.com and you will land right here. And after that, now you know how to use Meta Business Suite, and now you know all the features and tools in order to help you grow your business and run a successful business on Facebook. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that it was of big help to you, and now you know how to use Meta Business Suite. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.